Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alliz Creative Designs, where the world of creativity is activated. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to do double crochet. If you have not watched our previous tutorials, you may follow the links in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll also learn what is meant by yarn over. Previously, we would say wrap the needle. Now, we are going to use the term yarn over. And the video, as you can see, this is what is meant by yarn over. So we'll start by making 2 chain stitches, then we'll yarn over, place the hook in the first half double crochet, pull through the thread, yarn over, pull through the first 2 hoops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 hoops. And we'll try that again. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through the thread, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through the thread, and we yarn over and pull through twice, as you can see. You will continue these steps to the end of the row. Remember to always yarn over before placing the hook in the next half double crochet. Congratulations guys, we have come to the end of tutorial 4. Tune in to our next video when we will learn to make triple crochet. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Remember to like this video, comment down below and share. Peace out guys, see you in the next video.